Come on. No, here. Here. Come on. In here. Good boy. Get up there. Good boy.
All I need is you, baby.
It's just so much fun. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pound it. Yeah, that was fun, huh? I haven't done this in a very long time. I say this, I haven't read hate comments. These aren't really hate comments, but I missed it. I made a hate comments video almost 2 years ago, and that was one of my favorite videos I ever made. I want to do one again. Needs the wing. Needs the wing so bad. How did somebody get both? 2 top comments. Remove the cheap looking diffuser, restore the foggy yellow headlights, possibly upgrade to a more aggressive, complete bumper and additional front lip arrow. Needs this carbon fiber Voltex arrow wing. Don't like Voltex, but I do agree with the wing. Trim the over fenders lip. Yep, take a break. A car customized by Evan, but doesn't have a massive wing on it, is not a car customized by Evan. Isn't that Anonymous? You just spitting so much facts right now. Gray with green brakes. I definitely haven't seen that on YouTube before. You know, it's funny, I haven't either, and you spelled brakes wrong. It's a very common thing, and it's really easy to spell brakes. Get a fat wing. Big Wang Gang, Gucci Gang J says, hashtag bring back the wing. Looks like you just rattle canned it. I have to respectfully disagree, but this is probably coming from somebody who washes his mom's Camry with a Scotch-Brite pad, so I'm not gonna take offense. I'm not gonna tell you you copy, but man, seriously, now the gray daily car like TJ, are you doing it on purpose? I like that he started it off respectfully. I'm not telling you copy, but you do. Obviously I know that TJ's car is gray, but I had absolutely no idea he had green brakes. Which is funny, either way, it doesn't really matter because people are still gonna accuse me of copying. I've wanted to do green brakes I've wanted to do green brakes on every car I've ever owned for forever. I think lime green brakes are such a cool accent. The story behind this color actually is I was going to do a different color. I was going to do the Evo a satin white, but we ordered this color for the Porsche to make it less of a brownish gray, but then the color on the Porsche really grew on us and we didn't want to change it. We already ordered this color for Get Dips. So I was like, all right, send it. Let's customize a color. Let's not use the exact color because this was supposed to be a lot lighter and it was like 2 shades away from my original silver. And I was like, no, we gotta make it as close to black as possible. So then we ended up custom making this one and it ended up being extremely close to TJ's, but regardless, I want you guys to know, I don't know, I'm just doing me. I just did what I thought looked cool, and I still think it looks cool, and I don't regret it at all. Please, Evan, put the wing back, bro! And then Jorge says, I personally can't stand Evos without a wing. You know, I honestly feel you, dog. Nah, it definitely needs a big-ass wing. You need the wing back. Looks like shit without it. That's the kind of comments that's a blatant love right there. That kit is junk, and that color is horrible, man. Really hope you reevaluate the Evo plans. You're right, you know, should probably just sell it, because it definitely doesn't look good at all. So this video has, at least at this point in time, over 2,100 comments, and I'm pretty sure 80% of them say bring back the wing, 10% of them are saying I'm copying TJ, and the other 10% are either saying Shank Squad or probably raging at something. I really want to make a hate comments video. Like, roast me, boys. Roast me, actually. If you've been keeping something in for a while and you got something good to say about my height or how ugly or fat I am, I want you to unleash it. Roast me. The biggest roast gets a free blow kiss from Evan. Today, I want to address a few things. I think that I made a big mistake. Well, actually, that's debatable. I think I just went the wrong direction on some stuff. First off, I want to address the wing issue. For some reason in my mind, whenever we had just the body kit on and it was not painted, it looked to me like wingless would have been a good option. Like, I was like, that looks actually pretty clean. And it did, but then we painted the car and not a huge fan of it. In order for me to get a different wing, I would have had to cover up the OEM holes so that I could put a different wing on. And if I didn't do that, if I did actually do the stock wing, I would have just had a stock wing, which I don't think looks that cool on the Evo X's anyways. I would have had to replaster and repaint the trunk at some point anyways, which we have the possibility of just not matching, especially since it's a custom color. So the nice thing is we did plaster over those holes and it gives me opportunity for a different wing. And I'm thinking that's just what I want. I love big wings, and I did do a poll on Twitter, and you guys told me your opinions on what exactly I should do. As much as I do also appreciate your opinions, I want you guys to remember that I'm building my car for myself. So I love your opinions and I want to hear what you guys want to see, but ultimately I'm gonna do what the hell I want to do. This freaking fly is still... Another big concern is my diffuser. I think I did a bad job of making Invictus Aero look good. They gave me this diffuser to put on the car, and I think the way I installed it was a little more aggressive and a little more ricey than it should be. So today I'm gonna do a couple things. I'm going to be test fitting a couple different options for the wings. I want to talk about wings, and I'm actually going to modify the diffuser a bit to look a little cleaner and to not be as pokey out. And again, remember, I'm still waiting on side skirt aero and a splitter as well, so that's going to kind of complete that aero, but I agree with you guys, I don't like the way that I ended up installing that. And honestly though, I love having words under a wing. I want to have, you know, I'm not even gonna tell you what I want to put under it, but I'm gonna have a sparkly word under, if I get a big wing for this, I'm gonna have a sparkly set of words that you guys are gonna be like, memes, Evan, I love this. So without further of ado, let's get Cindy and start working on the X today. So I'm still waiting on hardware for my friends at Dress Up Bolts, and it's gonna be awesome. I got satin black riv nuts, and it's gonna make it look extremely, extremely clean. I hate the Frankenstein look, like it's just a temporary thing. Taillights, so excited for. I hate the stock Evo taillights. If there's anything that Mitsubishi did wrong on the Evo 10s, it's the taillights. They look like butt cheeks, bro. Like not good butt cheeks, but like butt cheeks with like disgusting acne on them. Like those kind of butt cheeks. So let me go ahead and diffuse the situation. That was so stupid. Let me go ahead and talk to you about the situation here. The diffuser situation, right? Man, it really needs a wing. Oh my God. So here we go. I'm gonna sit my butt down, get my butt cheeks a little dirty. I don't like how far it comes out. It's not, the kit's not really supposed to do this. Maybe it is, but I don't like that, and I agree with you there. I don't mind the diffuser. If this diffuser lined up with this, it would be much, much better. So the reason I can't go any further over is because of my exhaust. My exhaust gets in the way, so I can't get it any further over, and this was kind of like the best point I could do it, because I figured it matched the body lines, so I could pull it off. The other side is a similar story, except it actually ends up hitting the tow hook, sorry, on the other side, so I can't actually have it go over any more than it is. So I am going to modify this diffuser today. I love the centerpiece. I'm gonna keep it how it is because I think the centerpiece looks lit, but this piece is, I think, what sets it apart and makes it not look good. So I am going to take a measurement and see how far I need to cut. I'm going to cut however much it takes to get this over here, even with this, off of this side. I'm gonna completely remount it. And then same with that side. I want this diffuser, I think we still have possibility to look really clean with this diffuser, but it just needs a little bit of love first. That should do it. Okay, it's looking a little better, boys. I think now that it's not as aggressive and it lines up with the body a little better. I mean, just look how much better. It is, that side is just, it just sticks out too far. We're gonna go ahead and fix that. You boys wet. That is not a great smell. That is not a great smell. What the hell? Let's go ahead and knock the whole freaking beach of California out of here. What do you think, guys? Any better? I feel like that's a lot better. Now, if this isn't clean enough, I might even cut like half of this little thing off right here. Have a nice straight line, filed down line. Just to make that look maybe a little bit shorter, but I really like the way, I really like the winglets, especially with the wide body now. I feel like the This stock diffuser is just not aggressive at all. So before we test any wings, I want to remind you guys that I am going to be getting custom 3-piece wheels being made for this car, and it's going to be nice. That's also a huge reason why I went with the color that I did, and I'll explain that when I get the wheels. I'm not going to give away the color of the wheels yet. So it'll look better with the new custom wheels. I'm going to put spacers on these wheels after I cut the fenders just to make it look a little bit wider, because the fitment is whack right now, and that's indisputable. And then the wing. The only thing we have left, aside from just the lights and stuff like that, is the wing. Alright, I want to just look at it, have a nice evaluation of what the stock wing looks like. I got these little guys on the bottom, nice and safe, and I'm just going to plop it on there just so we can kind of look at it and see, like, do we want the stock wing, or do we want something bigger and better, or do we just want a duckbill trunk? So here's the stock wing. It's a little higher than normal, but that's actually pretty close to what it would look like. I would have to re-drill the holes that he just bondoed up. Do we really want to go back to stock? Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, okay, the stock, it does look cool. It looks cool, but it's so basic. Yeah. It's so. That's true. I mean, every Evo has this wing, but I do agree with you guys. I do agree. I've heard people say that what sets an Evo apart from a Lancer is the wing. That's very debatable. The turbo and the power is what sets it apart. But I agree with you in some sense that I think this car does need a wing or needs something on the trunk aside from just looking like a base Lancer trunk. It does look pretty good, but also the wing has risen up a little bit. I want you guys to know that. Actually, that'd be sick to get some spacers and raise this wing. Anyways, it looks cool. It does look cool, and I think I agree now that I'm looking at it, needs a wing for sure. But I've got a very special guest for you today. It's from one car to another. Let's give a big round of applause for my Origin Labs GT wing that I got straight from the depths of Japan. I'm just gonna take it off the Lexus and plop it on this real quick, and we're gonna see what it looks like with a nasty, massive wing. It works really well. I'm gonna make sure it's centered. This car looks kind of cool with wingless, to be honest. Because of the trunk position, this wing would need to be adjusted a little bit. But God, that would definitely be sendy. I think it would work though. Here's a sneak peek. I don't want to keep it from you guys. Big wings are cool. I want a big wing, but this might not be the big wing to get because these wings are tall. So let me know what you think. It looks tight. It could work, but I want to hear what you guys have to say. It's pretty damn tall. It's so, okay, aesthetically, it works because it's the exact same, almost the exact same width as the car, and when it gets new wheels, it'll be a little wider. It won't be as wide as the car. I definitely would get a new sticker to put on the bottom of this one. It matches up with the roof line literally perfectly. So we'll have to see. I'm not entirely sure. I want you guys' opinions here. I think it looks cool. She thinks it doesn't look right.
I don't like it.
She doesn't like it. God, I just love big wings. I absolutely love big wings. But I think that I'm gonna have to agree with you a little bit. Even with the wide body and with how, even I know what this car is going to look like with the wheels that I'm gonna get, and even with how aggressive that's going to be, I'm not entirely sure that it's gonna look amazing on the car. So I think biggest contender right now is big wing is still in, but it would be something like Voltex or APR or something. Let me know what you think. I still want to hear what you guys think. Is that good? It might be good. I might just go for it. The test results are actually not really, they're not in, but I still want to see what you guys have to say. Ultimately, I want you guys to know that I'm gonna end up doing what my heart desires, what my little inner 16-year-old wants to do and build on this car, but I still want to hear what you guys have to say, and you know, insight is always important to have, so I would love to hear it, and I think that big wings are cool, but maybe it's just, that one just might not be the right one. Thank you so much for watching, peace out, and be victorious.